If you buy stuff from me, I just throw Jpaydirt decals in for free. So if you just want decals, you might as well buy a calendar or something, because you're going to get them for free anyway. There's a return to sender right there.
I gave a letter to the postman. He put it in his sack. Bright and early next morning, he brought my letter back. She wrote upon it, return to sender, address unknown.
That went clear to Europe and came back. And I'll tell you why. This is the best case ever for Trump and a Trump in Europe. They charged this poor lady so damn much money to get this through a value-added tax. She said she couldn't afford it. I sent her a hat and some calendars. And so she never went and picked that up because she said it was just too expensive.
No such number, no such zone. We had a quarrel, a lover's spat.
And isn't that stupid that they're going to tax her on Jpaydirt stuff? This is why Trump wants to get rid of all this nonsense. We should all be able to compete on a level playing field.
I write, I'm sorry, but my letter keeps coming back. So then I dropped it in the mailbox.
I've got one going to Ross Newton in Australia. Ross, I love my Aussie subscribers, so there's a whole bunch of extra items in there for you. Enjoy, man.
As in a special deed, bright and early next morning, it came right back to me. She wrote upon it, return to sender, address unknown. No such person, no such zone. This time I'm gonna take it myself and put it right in her hand. And if it comes back the very next day, then I'll understand. The writing on it, return to sender, address unknown. No such number, no such zone. Return to sender, return to sender, return to sender.
It is a beautiful day. I should be out snowmobiling. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow.
Some serious RPMs.
Floyd R turbo on his 335 Olympico. How did you go anywhere with those, man? Dog's gonna get ran over here. Good.
I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus